How should I set the path variable on my Mac so the Homebrew-installed tools are found? Trying to set up Homebrew on a new Mac. On previous Macs I would install packages from source. The first package I tried to install was Git. Installation went okay, but which Git still shows the one in /user/bin/git that came along with Lion, I think. And not the one in /user/local/bin/git that was just installed. As you can see /user/bin defaults to before /user/local/bin in the $path. So, I'm confused. I thought the point of Homebrew, and something the creators seem to brag about, was that you don't have to mess with the $path variable. So, what did I do wrong?
I found this related post to be very helpful. Instead of changing the $path variable, it just has you simply edit your /etc/paths file. Homebrew wants me to amend my path, no clue how. As soon as I followed the directions and put /user/local/bin above /user/bin, my issues were resolved. On OS X, open terminal. Type the command, sudo vi/etc/paths. Enter your password if you're asked for it. You will see a list of paths. Edit them so that /user/local/bin path is entered above the /user/bin path. Save and quit. Restart terminal. Here's what mine looks like after I did that. To save and quit, type a column, then type WQ, to write and quit at the same time, followed by Enter. You can also open the /etc/paths file in a graphical text editor and edit it that way. Credit to Fengd over at Stack Overflow for his answer over there.
This answer is obsolete. The preferred Homebrew path ordering used to be as explained, but that is no longer true. However, the approach is more generally applicable, so for interest's sake, I'm leaving it up. You shouldn't. Homebrew intentionally keeps /user/local/bin after /user/bin in the path for maximum compatibility. Reversing the order of these directories in path by editing /etc/paths would mean that all programs anywhere on the system, no matter how they were started, will get the Homebrew version of a command. But some may specifically expect Apple's version, or just not be able to use a newer version, etc. How to preserve this principle and still get the Homebrew installed version of Git? As the saying goes, all problems can be solved with a layer of indirection, except having too many layers of indirection, or in this case, as it turns out, 2 layers. Specifically, it's been part of my Unix habits to have a /bin directory which I put at the start of my path. This is one of the first bits in my .bashrc. This checks whether path contains /bin, and if not, prepends it. With that in place, then selectively making just the Homebrew managed Git take precedence over the system version, instead of every Homebrew managed binary, and just for your shell sessions, instead of all programs started from anywhere, including GUI programs, is as simple as symlinking it. You could symlink /user/local/seller/git/1.8.2.1/bin/git directly, but then you would have to fix your symlink every time you did a brew upgrade git, directly or indirectly. By symlinking to Homebrew's fixed location symlink, you don't have to worry about it. So you add a directory to your $home so you can add it your path so you can symlink to a symlink, and that fixes your problem and puts a smile on Dr. Seuss. Yo dog, I heard you like symlink, so we put a path in your path so you can symlink while you symlink.
You haven't done anything wrong, but it does seem pretty clear that if you had /user/local/bin in your path before /user/bin, this specific problem would go away. The easiest fix is to do just that and put something like in your ~/.bash_ profile, so everything that Homebrew installs is found first. That's the way that I have it set up on my Mac, and it has worked for me for this long. However, it does appear that they believe it would work with /user/local/bin being after /user/bin, so while I might have mucked up my own $path, I can see where their documentation lacks. Note that you should put /user/local/bin after /user/bin because some programs will expect to get the system version of, for example, Ruby, and break if they get the newer Homebrew version. From discrepancy between Wiki and Brew Doctor number 10738. Note that this document goes on to say, the FAQ, the above quote, refers to the path setting for GUI apps, the Doctor, the advice to put /user/local/bin ahead of /user/bin in your path, refers to the path setting for CLI apps.
I disagree with Jim's answer. Editing your /etc/paths file will change the load paths for all programs. This could be dangerous if a system application is expecting to find a specific version of a binary but finds a different version because you have edited your paths file. Instead, change your path variable in /.bash or /.bash_ Then your load path will only change inside the terminal. #add homebrew app to path. Export path equals /path/ to /homebrew/app/bin $path. Then reload bash or source.bash, and you're good to go. Since the Homebrew path comes before anything else, Bash will load the version that you downloaded with Homebrew.